Good morning, Emma. Good morning, Lili. I am happy to see you. Me too. Let's have a wonderful day.
Your flowers are very pretty.
Thank you. I like your butterflies.
Wonderful work, girls.
Would you like an apple? Yes, please. Thank you.
You are welcome.
I had a great day. Me too. I learned many new things. See you tomorrow.
Goodbye, Emma.
Goodbye, Lili. See you tomorrow.
Have a safe trip home.
Oh,
Are you all right?
I feel scared. Please stay calm.
An ambulance is coming.
Thank you.
Hello, Emma. We are here to help you.
Thank you.
Everything will be all right. Can you tell me your name?
My name is Emma.
You are very brave. We are taking you to the hospital now. Okay, thank you. Your parents will meet you there. Class, I have something important to tell you. Emma had an accident after school.
Oh no.
Emma is safe in the hospital.
I hope she gets well soon.
We all hope so.
I miss you, Emma. Please come back soon. I made these for Emma. She will be very happy. I cannot wait to see her again. We are here, Lili.
I hope Emma feels better today.
She will be happy to see you. Is Emma in this room?
Yes, she is waiting for us.
Let's go inside. Lili. Emma, I came to see you.
I am so happy you are here. I missed you so much.
I missed you too.
You will get better soon. These flowers are for you.
They are beautiful.
I hope they make you smile.
I made this card for you. Thank you, Lili. I love it. I also brought you this teddy bear.
This is so kind. Your message makes me feel happy.
I wanted to make you smile.
Emma is getting better every day.
That is wonderful news.
She will go home soon.
Thank you for coming. You are my best friend. Thank you for always caring about me.
Do you remember this picture?
Yes, we had so much fun.
We will draw together again very soon.
Let's finish our homework together. Thank you for helping me. We are a great team.
Here is your healthy snack.
Thank you very much. It looks delicious.
I will visit you again soon.
I will be waiting.
Take care, Emma.
Goodbye, Lili. Goodbye, Emma. See you very soon. I feel much better now. Thank you, everyone. I cannot wait to go back to school. This is my favorite story. I love this book too. Let's read it together.
You are healing very well.
That makes me happy.
I knew you would get better. Take your time.
I can do it.
Well done, Emma.
The garden is beautiful. The fresh air feels nice. I feel stronger today.
You may go home today.
Thank you, Doctor.
Welcome home, Emma. How are you feeling today?
I feel much better now.
That makes me very happy. I finished the first question. Great job! Let's do the next one. Learning is more fun together. You are walking so well.
I feel stronger every day.
I am proud of you.
Your arm is healing very well. Thank you, Doctor.
This is wonderful news.
I am happy to be back at school. I missed walking with you. It is good to be together again.
Welcome back, Emma. Thank you, everyone. We missed you so much. It is nice to study together again. I missed our lessons. Welcome back, Emma.
I missed playing with everyone. We are so happy you are back. Today is the best day. Thank you for being my best friend. I will always be with you. Friends stay together forever.
Today was a wonderful day.
Thank you for never leaving my side.
Best friends always help each other.
Yes,
We will always be best friends.